Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue and the sunset appears to be red sometimes? Or maybe you noticed that sometimes the moon appears to be red or the sunset is orange. The sun is responsible for all these things. The sun produces light. Light is the natural energy produced to make things able to be seen. Let's learn more about light and what it is. Light is made of electromagnetic radiation and always follows a straight path. Visible light is the type of light that humans can see, but there are also other types of light that we can't see, such as ultraviolet and infrared light. Our human eyes are not able to see these types of light because the frequency or the speed the light moves at is undetected by human eyes. Interestingly though, some insects are able to see infrared light. Light travels very fast, so fast that people will never be able to move as fast as light. Some scientists believe that if humans were able to travel as fast as light can, you could travel through time. Imagine being able to go to the past to see dinosaurs, or even going to the future. So how fast is light? Well, light travels at a speed of almost 300,000 kilometers per second, which is about 186,000 miles per second. The light we see from the sun, called sunlight, takes about 8 minutes to travel from the sun to the Earth. While light is very fast, some stars are so far away that by the time you see them shining in the night sky, they might already have died. If you look around you, you see many different colors. These colors come from light waves. Light moves on different wavelengths, and this produces the different colors. For example, we see a red apple because an apple reflects the color red wavelength and absorbs the rest. There are 3 primary colors of light: red, green, and blue. Other colors are made when you mix these colors together in some form. The secondary colors are yellow, cyan, and magenta. When all of the colors are combined, white is created. When we look into the sky on a clear sunny day, we see a nice blue sky. The reason why we see a blue sky is because the air is made of tiny particles called molecules. The molecules in the air scatter the color blue from the sunlight more, since blue has the shortest wavelengths compared to other colors. Therefore, our human eyes see the sky as being blue. Now, when the sun begins to set, the sky may appear orange or red. This happens because blue in the light has already been scattered out away from our eyesight, and now we're able to see the sky as red or orange. Let's take a look at what we learned about light. We learned that light is the natural energy produced to make things able to be seen, and that visible light is, quite simply, the type of light that humans can see. The sun is responsible for the natural light we see on Earth. Light travels incredibly fast. It takes about 8 minutes for the sunlight to reach us on Earth. Not all light can be seen by human eyes, like ultraviolet and infrared forms of light. But when we do see light, we can see colors. Colors are seen by humans because light moves in waves, and colors have different wavelengths. It's also affected by physical particles in the air, called molecules, which are the reason we see a blue sky when we look up. Light is something we can take for granted, but it really is the reason that our most used sense, our sense of sight, is so keen. So make sure to say thank you the next time you turn on a lamp.